What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a new and important tweak. This tweak will allow you to spoof any app version right from your 3D menu. This tweak will not change anything in your app's files and will trick the app during runtime to think it has the version you chose to spoof. You also get the ability to return the default version the app originally had. I will show you how to download and use the tweak in the right way. First, to download the tweak, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source, Havoc source. After adding the source, now go to the search here and search for this tweak, 3D app version spoofer. As you can see, this is the tweak. This tweak is open source and it is completely free. And the function of this tweak is, as I said at the beginning of the video, it will spoof any app version in your device. Now, all you have to do is install the tweak. Click Modify, Install, Confirm. I've already installed the tweak and therefore I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings to activate the tweak. Scroll down and search for the tweak. This is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is enable the tweak from here. Also guys, make sure to enable Add 3D Menu Action. Okay, how does this tweak work? The method is simple and easy. First, go and search for the app you want to spoof its version. Alright, here I have Alfred Camera app. As you see, every time I open the app, it asks me to update the app because I'm using an old version. I will go to Settings, About. As you see, I have the version 2021.12.0. Now I will use the tweak to spoof the app version and trick the app to think that I have the latest version. To do this, first go to the App Store. Go to the search here and search for the app that you want to spoof its version. As you see, this is the app that I want to change or spoof its version. Here, click on the version history. Now here at the top, you will find the number of the latest version of the app, and this is the number we want. Make sure to save the number and type it in the same way. Before changing the version of the app, make sure to close the app from the multitasking. Now click and hold on any app, click Spoof App Version. Now type the number of the latest version of the app, which is the number you saw in the App Store. I will type the number of the latest version. Now click Set Spoofed Version. Now open the app and you will find that the app has been spoofed during runtime to think it has the latest version. Okay, I will go to Settings, About. Boom, as you see guys, I'm using an old version but the app thinks I have the latest version, so I won't need to update the app to use it, and this is the function of this tweak. This tweak is beautiful and useful and works on several apps, but there is a piece of information that you should know, which is that the tweak will not work on all apps. Alright guys, thanks for watching, peace.